Hey beauties, today we are creating the perfect Valentine's Day glam for dark skin. Soft, romantic and glowy in pink. If you are ready to slay this Valentine, keep watching. Let's get into this pink magic. You always want to begin with a fresh, clean base so your makeup sits beautifully and lasts longer. I'm using a cleanser to remove any oil or dirt. Clean skin is the key to flawless glam, especially for that soft pink Valentine look. Next, I'm going ahead to do my brows. Brows frame the whole face, so we want them looking clean but still natural. I'm lightly outlining my brows first, then filling them in with soft strokes to mimic hair. Remember, don't make them too dark. We are going for soft, romantic Valentine glam. Once I'm done filling them in, I'll clean them up underneath with a little concealer to make them sharp and lifted. Prepping my eyelids with some concealer so that my eyeshadow will have a base to sit on. Next, I'm going ahead to prep my skin with a Tir Tir Milk Skin Toner. I'm going in again with a lighter shade of concealer to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, and I'm going to be setting that with some powder. After letting the milk toner sit in and fully absorb into the skin, I'm going in with my blurring balm to prep my face. This step is going to smooth out the skin, minimize the look of pores and control shine, especially if you have oily or combination skin. Now moving to eyeshadow, I'm using this palette with very soft pink shades, perfect for that romantic Valentine vibe. I'm going to start by using a deep color in my crease. I'm going in with this nude pink shade on my lid, and I'm just going to be tapping that. Next, I'm going in to apply this lighter pink shade to the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going in with the deeper shade on the outer corner so that everything can just blend in seamlessly. Now for foundation, I'm going to be applying my foundation evenly all over my face, starting from the center and blending outward. This helps keep the coverage where we need it most and prevents the edges from looking heavy. I'm using a damp beauty sponge to press it into the skin so it looks smooth, seamless and skin-like, not cakey. We want that flawless, radiant base that complements our soft pink Valentine eyes. And already you can see that glam coming together. Now we are going to highlight using two concealers. I'm starting with a concealer which is one shade lighter than my foundation shade, and I'm applying that right under my eyes, on my chin, the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going in with a lighter concealer to blend everything seamlessly. This helps it look bright but still natural, especially on dark skin. Now I'm going in with my contour wand to apply my contour right under my cheekbones, along my jawline, a little on my forehead, and down the sides of my nose to add warmth and structure back into the face. Remember, we are not dragging, we are placing it where the shadows naturally fall. Then I'll blend it upwards so it lifts the face and keeps everything looking soft and seamless. This step adds the sculpted but still romantic finish to our pink Valentine glam. Now back to our highlight. After letting our concealer sit for a while, we are going in with our small fluffy brush to blend it. You see how I'm starting from the outer corner while working my way inward. Now for blush, we are using this hot pink blush, and yes, we are not being shy with it. Pink on dark skin just pops beautifully and ties the whole Valentine look together. I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks and bending it slightly upward towards my temples for that lifted flirty effect. This is what gives us that fresh, love-struck glow, and honestly, the pink is pinking. Next, I'm going in with my pink duo setting powder. I'm lightly pressing it all over my face, focusing under the eyes, the T-zone, and anywhere I want to lock in my makeup. This will set everything in place, keep shine under control, and give the skin a soft, flawless finish. The pink tone of the powder also adds a subtle glow, perfect for enhancing our romantic Valentine vibe. Now our base is fully prepped and ready for the final glam touches. Now I'm using a powder bronzer to set the contoured areas. I'm lightly dusting it over my cheekbones, jawline, forehead, and the sides of my nose where we applied the contour. This helps to deepen the shadows, add warmth, and make the face look naturally sculpted. Blending is key here. We want it soft and seamless so it melts into the skin while keeping that soft romantic Valentine glow. The face is really starting to come alive now. I'm going in with my powder shade to set the rest of my face. Powder blush to set my liquid blush. Next, I'm applying finishing powder under my eyes. I'm gently pressing it under the eyes where we highlighted with concealer. This locks in the brightening, prevents creasing, and keeps the area looking smooth and flawless all day. A little goes a long way. We want it soft and light, just enough to set without looking heavy. Our under eye area is now perfectly prepped for a radiant, soft pink Valentine look. Now it's time for setting spray. I'm spritzing it all over my face to lock in all the makeup, melt everything together, and give the skin a natural dewy finish. I'm smudging a darker shade softly along the lower lash line, and I'm going in with my mascara to comb out my natural lashes. Now for lips, I'm starting by lining my lips with a brown liner to define the shape and add a bit of warmth. Next, I'm filling in the center of my lips with a pink lipstick for that pop of Valentine color. I'm layering a nude pink gloss over the pink to soften it and add a subtle shine. Finally, I'm topping everything off with a clear gloss for that juicy glass-like finish that makes the lips look irresistible. This pink on dark skin look is so well executed, like the look is already so beautiful. We are just going to finish it off with mascara. We are combing out and blending our natural and false lashes together, and next we are going into highlight. Applying more setting spray to set and melt everything together, and next we are applying our fixing spray to keep everything in place. Our soft romantic pink glam for dark skin, it's all done. I hope you enjoyed following along and feel inspired to try this look yourself. See you in my next video and thank you for watching. Bye.